What's up, guys? It's your boy Jay Reed for Leaky Honda. Here's what we're doing today. We're going to be taking the old Civic out for a spin. In the last video, I showed you what's all in the car, in the build that I'm still working on. It's a B18 swap with a little turbo. So what better time it is now than to take it out for a spin. Probably should be data logging, but we won't worry about that for right now. Let's just get from point A to point B and back to the house. Okay. It seems like every time I get in the car, I don't know whether or not it's gonna start. If it starts, it's a blessing. If it don't start, then that's because it is expected not to start. But today, it's gonna start because I should have fixed the issue. Make sure your clutch ain't sticky wicky. All right, so let's see. Let's see. Don't have that much gas. Oh, I gotta reconnect the battery. Yeah. Okay, let's try this again. I love that sound. I'm so not used to it. So let's let it warm up for a little bit. That's the least I can do. And then we're gonna hit these squeaks briefly. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned this or not in the last video, but I do not have power steering. But who does on these old cars? All right, I think that's warmed up enough. Boost cut, that was 20 pounds of boost. It hit boost cut. Wow. Woo! Boy, I tell you, this car is fun. Let's see about this time. We need a boost cut, fuel cut, or something. Man, this car is fun. I like driving this car more than my vet, actually, because it's so fun, it's so raw. I mean, it's like you feel the power. I don't even know how much boost this thing will make. Because my boost controller is total garbage. I probably need to turn it down a little bit, but we're gonna put the boost gauge in there. It's probably right at about 21, 22 pounds of boost before I have to change gear. Yeah, I gotta tune this thing. The temperature didn't change. So I think I'm flooding it out. What would happen if I turn the fuel pump off? Let it lean out a little bit. So there you have it, guys. We just went for a spin. We made it back in one piece, which is always good. It's not necessarily guaranteed all the time in this one, but we just did then. And I can't get out my car. So let's look at it. Make sure it ain't got no new leaks. Something's telling me we probably do got some new leaks, because that's just what we do. We get new leaks. But we are going to find out. Yeah, so that head is leaking a little bit worse than what I would like. It's probably causing a vacuum leak. Looks like it's about time that I'm really going to have to fix that. Let's take a look at the transmission. Transmission got some dribbity drops. I'm okay with the dribbity drops. It was a lot before, a whole lot. But I do need to put some down here on the ground, because I'm messing up my driveway with all of these oil leaks. That's for sure. So guys, this is a simple build. Still got a lot of work to do. I'm gonna have to pop that head off, that's for sure. I am especially trying to push out this much boost. And I need to pull the data log to see what that boost cut actually is, because I think it's set around 20 and I'm hitting it. Man, when that little turbo, eBay turbo comes in, and it comes in pretty quick, it's absolutely amazing. So if y'all been thinking about building an old Honda or an old Civic, I don't care if you got a Corvette or Mustang today or whatever it is, these little cars are so much fun. It's ridiculous. Do you have, okay, let me put it like this. You will probably be working on it more than you will be driving it, but ain't that kind of the point? You got other cars that you actually drive. This is just to go out, have a little fun, and whoop-de-bop, bam-de-boop. And if you got kids, it's a good project to do with your kids. It's not that expensive to start building it. Ain't nothing cheap, but it's not that expensive. And have a good time. This your boy.